I had done some training at the Flower School in New York, and I wanted to continue on with the best. And then I came across Tyler, and I was like, I really want to learn. I'm eager. Who can help me learn how to do beautiful weddings and installations? I really want to do big stuff. And so all these people reached out, and Tyler, he was like shining. He had such a great vibe. And then I saw his work and I was like, are you sure you want to work with me? This is amazing. And now I have all the secrets and I'm ready to go. But it really kind of that element of putting together those big, crazy fairy tale pieces that you don't see every day that are so special. And I've learned a ton about mechanics, rigging, the business of being a floral designer, working with brides, working with venues, working with planners. He has been a fountain of knowledge for me. And I feel like as I embark on this, I can be very proud of what I learned and what I'm going to be bringing to my own business. I feel like I'm ready. That's the thing that's just so cool. I can do this and I'm very confident about it. And so thank you, Tyler. So yeah.